What's up, dude?
Taylor, what's going on, brother?
Not much, man. You all right?
Oh, yeah, I was just calling, man. I had something that come up, man. I was just going to see if you were ready to get rid of your red car yet. I know you said you never get rid of
it. Dude, you already know. You know I ain't selling that red car.
Yeah, well, we just had something that came to the shop that may change your mind. So if you ain't busy the next couple of days, I'd love for you to swing by and check out what I got.
All right. Hey, you know I'm always down to come by your shop. But, I mean, come on. You know. You already know.
Well, come on then. I got something that you're really going to like to see.
So we might have to bet dinner or something on this one.
Yeah. Oh, I'll bet anything. I'll bet the house on this one.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. Give me a couple days, get ironed out and get caught up, and I'll be down there.
Sounds good, bro. I'll see you then.
All right, buddy. Thank you.
All right.
Here. Oh, my God. What? What? No, he didn't. Yep, he did. Oh man, I can't believe he's doing this to me. Yeah, this day may not end well. All right, guys, let's go inside, see what's going on. See, Jennings knows. Oh, God almighty. Guys, I know I've said in the video about my car. God, appreciate it, buddy. Dude, what are you doing to me, man? What are you trying to do to me?
I was gonna see if you want to make a deal on the car.
All right, guys, if you don't know, this is Jeremy Jennings. Again, we don't get to hang out very much, but you own the baddest car on the planet, the Viper Blue.
Yes, the Viper Blue's home.
Should be coming home soon, actually. But so, yeah, I was actually filming when you called, and so they got to hear the conversation. And dude, when I pulled up, I freaking knew. I almost cursed. I got to stay monetized, but God.
Beep it out.
God. So just for reference, if you're new to the channel, #1 favorite, Reef Blue. #2 is a toss-up between these two, which is 93 Cobra Teal and Bimini. There, depends on where you are in the world, what it is, but so we got 93 Cobra, opal gray cloth. Ooh, she's nice. Hopefully the alarm won't go off. Oh man, already all stock in here. Look at this. I'm gonna have to ask my buddy Chet about that. I don't think I've ever seen that. Well, I'll message the one of the experts. Chet, if you're watching, shoot me a message. Yeah, looks like got an alarm on it, which they all did back in the day, because they didn't come with factory.
Yeah, it looks like a factory alarm. It has the Ford keychain. I don't know if it's original or aftermarket.
Wow. Okay, I see a little stereo. Is it all stock or?
No, it has an aftermarket radio. It has an amp and a little sub, which we're probably going to take that out and put it back to stock.
I got you. Looks like the wheels probably been powder coated, or?
Yeah, they look a little darker gray.
Just a little, yeah, not crazy, but a little darker. Man,
a little metallic in there. It looks good.
Yeah, it does. They're nice though, whoever did them. And you can see like the paint hitting the sun. God, and then of course the quarter glasses. Dude, you're hurting my heart here. So I guess we'll look at this one and then we'll check out the notch.
All right.
But
pop the hood on there.
Wow. And these are the old school, well, not super old school, but these are the older BFGs.
Yeah, the KDWs, you can't get them.
Yeah.
Them a while back.
But back when the Terminators first came out, this is what you put on.
Yeah, they look so badass.
Oh, yeah.
That fat ass meat.
Oh, yeah. It's stock, right?
Sorry about the language.
It's stock, isn't it? Yeah. Good night.
All the bin tags are in place. It's just got the supercharger and some Bassani exhaust is the only.
Wow, somebody put a lot of money into this car. Sorry guys, I'm trying not to throw shadows here. So we got a polished V2. We got the Max Flow power cooler. Yep, ceramic coated Bassani headers. Yeah, they spent the bucks on this one, dude. Wow. Looks like it's got an alarm on it and fans. The radiator looks fairly recent.
Yeah, we'll probably put a stock one back in it when we take all the supercharger and stuff off to turn it back to stock form.
I don't blame you a bit. Got 42-pound injectors.
So with that being said, the supercharger will be for sale if anybody's
Okay. So what we'll do which I don't know how this day is going to end up or what, because you're killing me, dude. Yeah, guys, if don't really know, but this may end up for sale. I don't know, that the supercharger, and we'll talk about that later. But even myself, you know, if I was to make you an offer on this thing, I would pull it off. I don't know. I was back in the day. It's
well, if
like
it was a GT, I'd keep it on there, but it's
definitely,
total, so
yeah,
it's justifiable.
And I think this car being close enough to stock and being now almost 2021, I think stock's the way to roll with these. I mean,
yeah, definitely. If you're looking from a price point of view, you know,
yeah.
If you're looking for, you know, just a fun point of view, of course the supercharger.
Sure, yeah. But you figure most people looking for these cars nowadays, that's probably what they're going to do anyway.
Yeah. Is
yank that off. But no, I mean, if this was something that you're going to keep and have fun with and drive, definitely leave that beast on there. Make nice whistling, and which we'll get it out here in a minute and make some noise.
Yep.
Yeah, we got to make some noise. Does it make good noises?
Yes, it does. It sounds awesome.
Man, I don't know what to say, dude. This is a non-sunroof car. What build number? Do you know what build number it is?
3354.
3354. Wow. Yeah, she's clean. It's not one of those ones that was never out from underneath a cover. Like, somebody enjoyed it very sparingly because all the trim is like, it's got a tiny bit. Like, it's not a perfect car, but it's, I don't know, what would you call it as far as out of 10?
I would say it was well cared for. I would rate it easily an 8.5.
Yeah, I agree. Because again, it's not a museum piece, but I mean, look at just the lights and everything. I mean, you can tell this thing was in a garage under a cover, probably set out at some car shows. Man, that's a lot to think about. Oh man, so another dude, you just knew. Apparently you saw these, you're like, I'm gonna troll Caleb and just bring these cars down and put them in the showroom and then just like drop them on me.
Yeah, well, I don't know if you remember, not too long ago I sent you a message asking you, did you know anyone with the Bimini Blue?
I do remember that. I do remember that.
I know everybody in the Mustang community.
Yeah.
When the opportunity came to buy this one, well, you know, it was a no-brainer.
Wow. And now, do you know where this car's out of?
It came from my buddy John Busella. He lives in New Jersey.
Okay.
He got it from out of Arizona.
Wow. So this is 92. This is titanium. But dude, that radio, that Blaupunk radio, they're not even in business anymore.
Exactly.
I don't think. I could be wrong, but that, I remember Blaupunk was the ish back in the day. Yeah, this thing's in really good shape. Oh, we got gauges. Okay, how am I looking at this card? I don't see the gauges, so apparently we got something going on.
Yeah, we're going to do away with the gauges anyway. So.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you a bit. Quarters got teeny bit, but other than that, I mean, and the pony R's. And see, you knew because my car had the pony R's before, so that was like a dead lock. Hold on. What is that?
What is that?
That says Turbonetics.
Let's look up under the hood.
Is that a Ricer mod? Okay, and more gauges. Okay, something. What? Dude, are you kidding me? I sound like a kid in a candy store, seriously.
I felt like one when they got pulled up in my shop today to be delivered.
Now that's not an on 3, that's a freaking Hellion.
Yep.
Wow. System Max intake. Some kind of, oh, I see SVO, so we got SVO heads.
Yeah, it's got a custom turbo cam.
Wow.
Trimec 3650 like your car.
Okay.
Got the Holley EFI.
Wow, dude, that's wicked too.
Which it'll be coming to Dover soon to put the a touchscreen dash in it that matches with the
Okay.
Holley FI. And do the rear disc brakes and little touch-ups.
Little stuff, yeah. Yeah, you can tell it's got Holley on it. You can see all the. There's 3-bar map over there. Let me get over here and look at this damn. Wow. And you know we gotta start this one up. I gotta hear this shit.
Man, this
Excuse my
car
language. Wow. Yeah, I bet this thing's a lot of fun. I bet I can't fit through here, can I? Oh, barely.
Can open the doors.
Yeah, there we go. Man, this car is clean. What we got? Well, that's a hood. What am I thinking?
Yeah, it's a Benny good.
Yeah. Which nice hood, but we got Vintag. We got Vintag.
Yep, VIN tag, and then we got the VIN tag on the front here. All the VIN tags are there. The ones on the rear bumper, the deck lid.
Sure enough. Wow. Man. And again, not like a museum piece, but this is like 4 or 5 steps up from the shape of my car when I got it, and it was in pretty good shape. Man. Interior super clean. Looks like fresh carpet at some point.
Yeah.
Definitely. Maybe even fresh foam. That seat's nice and firm. Wow, dude. I'm blown away. I don't even know what to say right now. So the question remains now is like,
Are you going to keep your car?
I wasn't even gonna say, like, I can't say it. God. Dude, I don't know, guys. Drop me a comment below. We'll talk about this a little bit more in a minute, but drop me a comment below. You know my Coyote car, and you see these, and with all the other projects, there's no way that I can have. There's no way. Not right now. God. Yeah, this thing is immaculate. This is one of the more rare notches you'll ever find, boys. Right here. Alright, guys. So Jeremy's going to fire them up. I don't even know what to think right now. I don't know. Maybe I should just leave now and just not even hear them run or anything. Oh my, guys, if you can see this teal in the sun, even the Bimini blue in the sun. Now, just like Reef Blue, guys, the front nose gets a little bit of, that would probably buff out, but God. Is it time to get rid of the Coyote car? I don't know. Which one are you gonna fire up first?
We're going to fire this one up.
All right, let's hear this. This one's got the choppy chop.
Yeah.
Custom turbo cam. Oh yeah. Sounds good. Oh, you hear that turbo? Yeah. Yes. Dude. What are you doing to me? You can hear that turbo big time.
Oh, man.
God. Wow. Yeah, that thing chops like a son of a. Woo.
You're getting in trouble driving a car like this every day.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this one, it'd be like the Coyote car. It'd have to stay in the garage most of the time. Yeah, she sounds good. Man. And you know, and here's the other thing, dude. if let's say I do decide to get rid of it, look, oh my God,
keychain or alarm they have.
that is crazy. We'll talk about that in a minute. Right now, we just need to hear. Now, this one does have stock cam, you said, right? Yeah. We think. Yeah, this one just fires up real quiet and docile.
It's all stockish until you get on it.
It's got full Bassani exhaust.
Yes.
We looked up under it.
Look, full stainless. I didn't look at it real good.
Hey, rev it up just a little bit. I want to hear it. I've never actually heard the entire Bassani system front to back. Let's see what that sounds like. Yeah. It's got that real raspy, kind of almost like coyote noise. Ooh. Man. Alright guys, so there you go. As you can see, Jeremy has given me a lot of food for thought, and I don't really know what to think, to be honest with you. Guys, these are very nice cars. They're not museum pieces, but they're very nice cars, and they command a lot of money, especially these days. And so in order for me to make either one of these happen, then I would have to sacrifice the Coyote car, which is question number one, is do I do that? And then of course question number two, after the first agonizing question, would be which one? Supercharged teal Cobra, turbocharged mini blue notch. I mean, how do you make that decision? Catch me in about a year and a half and I just get two of them. But right now, boys, we're still in growth state. I don't know. I really don't know. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Guys, if you're anywhere near the Olive Branch area or online, hit up JJ's Auto Sales. He's Foxbody nut, good friend. And like I said, he owns the Viper Blue car being built on the channel that he'll have in this showroom very soon. So again, drop me a comment below. Do I need to just get in the truck and get out of here, or what do I need to do? Because I'm telling you right now, boys, I am very, very highly conflicted. I don't find myself in situations like that very often. So we're gonna end it now. Later.